I decided to study it as it's a great seaside town, and after researching the area and the university, it really appealed to me. I'd say that it's really enjoyable. The lecturers are great to get along with, as well as the peers, and it's definitely one of the best experiences I've ever had. In your first year, you cover all aspects of geography, which helps to make sure everyone's on a level playing field. And then over the following 2 years, you get to hone in on what you want to study and make it personal towards yourself. It covers everything from the natural side, such as volcanic activity and natural hazards, all the way through to how politics are shaping the environmental world today. The lecturers are really laid back and easy to approach. They'll give you the support that you need all the way through your course. And the way that they teach you, it's easy to follow and just makes it really enjoyable, the whole experience really. There were a few field trips at the start of the year that got everyone together, make some friendships out of this, and just get to know your peers and the lecturers themselves. The highlights would definitely have to be the second year field trip opportunity that you get. I was able to go off to New Zealand for a few weeks. Whilst I was out in New Zealand, I managed to go to a few zoos before going out on this field trip, going into the enclosures with cheetahs. Definitely look at New Zealand, but there are other options. You can go off to Crete, there's trips to Ireland as well, so there's a range of opportunities depending on what you want to go and do, whether it's human-based or if it's physical. Definitely come and explore it. Even if you don't come to the university, I'd definitely come and visit the town, go to the seafront, just take in the views. It's just a once in a lifetime really.